I want to talk about testing because we have a new message now. For some time, I was asking you to stay home even if you felt sick because we didn't have the ability to test enough people. Due to a lot of people's hard work, that has changed. Yesterday, we tested over 1,000 people, well over 1,000. We want to continue to do that every day. And every day, our capacity will increase. I hope to go from 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000. So my message to you is, if you're sick, call your doctor and go ahead and get tested. We have multiple sites all over the state. National Guard is doing a fantastic job operating these sites. Our labs are up and running. It will still probably take you a few days to get your results. But we want to start collecting more accurate data, which means we have to ramp up our testing. So I'm asking everybody, if you feel sick, call your doctor. If your kids are sick, call the pediatrician, and go ahead and get that referral so you can go get tested. For those of you who might not have insurance, or if you are, whatever reason, you don't have insurance, you don't have Medicaid, maybe you've lost your job, you haven't yet gotten on Medicaid, I still want you to show up and get tested. We want everybody to get tested. That means everybody. Regardless of your immigration status, I want you to get tested. I want you to not feel afraid to go get tested at one of these National Guard sites. You know, regardless if you have a regular primary care provider, regardless of whether you have insurance. If you've lost your job, you probably qualify for Medicaid, so go ahead and sign up. Having said that, there are a number of places that if you have no insurance or if you're an undocumented immigrant, you can go and get free health care. All community health centers throughout the state of Rhode Island are an option for you. There's a full list of these community health care centers online on the Department of Health's website. So if you're sitting at home, you're scared, you don't have a doctor, you don't have any money, you don't have insurance, maybe you're an undocumented immigrant, don't be afraid. Go to a community health center, go to the Rhode Island Free Clinic in Providence, go to Clinica Esperanza in Providence, or just call the Department of Health. We want to make sure you get care. Now isn't the time for people to be isolated or afraid. I also I want to make a special note. If you go to the testing centers that are being operated by the National Guard, you may see people in an Army uniform, people looking official. Please don't be afraid. These are not immigration officials. You will be safe. We want you to get the health care you need. We want you to be tested. So please, everybody, get yourself tested, find your way to a doctor, consider one of the community health clinics, call the Department of Health. If you know somebody who's afraid and you're hearing me, reach out to them, give them a hand. It's in everyone's interest for everyone to be tested and everyone to have their contact tracing done and everyone to get health care.